Why are there not more people talking about this amazing, affordable product? Seriously, you need to check this out. First off, let's talk about the looks. This product is an absolute stunner. Sleek, stylish, and with a premium feel that you're going to love. Whether it's on your desk, in your living room, or as a gift, it's sure to impress. Now, about the price. Honestly, I'm shocked at how affordable this is. You're getting premium features at a fraction of the cost. It's rare to find something that high quality without breaking the bank, and this product nails it. But wait, there's more. It's super functional too. Whether you need it for home, work, or as a gift, it fits every scenario perfectly. Versatility at its finest. Make sure to check the description for all the details. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for stopping by.